Love and light from me, Zelda, to you. I Speak is a series about mental health. My first series was about what's true love. The second one was about self love. My third series is about self esteem and self. On the previous videos, I explained what is self esteem and self. I also discussed why a healthy self esteem is important and the characteristics of a healthy self esteem. Also, why a healthy esteem is important. Today, I'm talking about factors affecting self esteem so that we know it's very important. There are many factors that can influence self esteem. The following can impact your self esteem. Number one, age. 2, disability. 3, genetics. 4, illnesses. 5, physical abilities. 6, socioeconomic status. 7, thought patterns. Other factors does include racism and discrimination that have a negative effect on self-esteem. Additionally, genetic factors that help shape a person's personality can play a role as well. But life experience are thought to be the most important factor. What you go through life, all the trauma, all the pain, all the lessons, all the growth. Some factors that can also cause your self-esteem to lower is number one, abuse. Mental, emotional, verbal, physical abuse. It all can affect your self-esteem. Number two, mindset. Pessimist attitude and fixed mindset because it overwhelms your mind with negative thoughts. 3, life events, things that happens in your life. 4, social standards. How many of us wants to dress up because this is the fashion or this is what's now done by the most of the people around you instead of being authentic? 5, goal setting. If you don't know how to set them properly, so they are unattainable. Like in my previous video, I talked about it. If you have too much confidence in your self-esteem and self-love, then you get cocky and you put unrealistic things you can't reach. Be realistic. Be kind to yourself. And take one step at a time. Don't skip 3, 4, 5 steps. Life is taking step by step, building block by block. Did a house ever hold? If you put here a brick and there a brick and here's a hole and there's a hole, it collapses. So build brick for brick. Love and light from me. Be blessed. Follow, like, and share for the next video. I hope it all helps. I would like feedback in the comments and also suggestions what you all want to hear. Peace.